Turner to contest the tip. Indigenous round kicks off in the Signet WNBL. Resetting to Ruth. Now she looks to go to work. Clean defense, doesn't matter.
Wow, that was a tough shot by Michaela Ruth, backing down her defender. At the same time, you have to have the mindset of taking care of the ball.
Ball ace, open. Talbot, though, working hard, count it, and one. Taylor rejects the screen. Pocket pass, and the timing from Turner sublime. Dean now in the open floor, takes the contact, and another and one to the Lightning. Dean will reset. Talbot inside, perfectly weighted.
They're denying paint touches for Ruth or George when they're on the floor, so they now send ball ace to Swain. They want to make life hard for her. But what they love, they want to play fast. We saw them with 7 points in fast breaks in that first quarter.
I'm looking forward to seeing them rock that jersey against Perth in a few days' time, Laurie. Morris inside just before the buzzer expires. George releasing Swain. Oh, Shanice Swain battling through. Oh, Dean puts Taylor in the blender. And they will head to Perth with some confidence. 78 plays 54. Adelaide in front of a home crowd have got it done.